Hey foodie, welcome to another mouth-watering episode inside Foodies Mansion. Today I'll be showing you how to make this soft buttery classic queen's cake or cupcake using simple ingredients, and I'll also show you how to bake them perfectly even if you're using a gas oven that burns from the bottom. Let's get on with it. Now let's start. In a large bowl, add your softened butter and sugar. You want to cream this together for about 3 to 5 minutes until it becomes pale, light and fluffy. You want it to go from looking this yellow to something this pale and yes, fluffy. You don't want to rush this process. This is what gives your cake that soft texture. So take your time and make sure that your cake is well creamed and very, very fluffy. So after creaming for some time, if you're using a mixer like I am, you want to bring all the batter on the sides to the middle, because mixer has a way of not getting everything, especially those that are at the edge and at the bottom of your bowl. So you want to clean it up and bring everything to the middle, Then you continue creaming, and after some time you repeat the same cleaning process just to make sure that no stone is left unturned. You can also use a spatula if you do not have a mixer. So now we have our mixture looking all pale. Next, you want to add your eggs one at a time. We're going to crack one egg and then we beat it well and add it to our butter and sugar mixture. After adding it, you're also going to beat this mixture very well after each addition so that the egg is properly incorporated into your batter. If the mixture looks like it's curdling, don't panic, just add a tablespoon of flour and keep mixing. When your egg is well incorporated into it, you want to add your second egg and then you incorporate that properly. It gets creamier. You add your third egg. You also incorporate that. It looks even creamier. And then we add our last and final egg. And we do our final incorporation. Like I said earlier, if your batter is looking too runny, you want to add a tablespoon of flour and then you keep mixing. Your batter should look something like this, very creamy without any curdle. In a separate bowl, whisk together your flour, baking powder. You're going to sieve them together. This also helps trap more air, which is going to help your cake to rise. You also want to add some salt. Salt has a very nice way of elevating every other flavor in any food. Now we're gradually going to fold the dry ingredients into our butter mixture. Be gentle here. Overmixing will make your cupcake dense. So we want to add our flour in batches. I divided mine into 3 different batches so that I don't overwork my baking flour. Now add your milk and vanilla extract. If you like a taste of lemon zest and raisins, this is also a good time to add them. Please also don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share. Fold everything together until just combine. The batter should be smooth, thick and creamy. It shouldn't be too thick that it can't fall off your spatula, but it also should not be too thin. Line your cupcake tray with paper liners and fill each cup about 2/3 full. I'll be using my 1/4 cup halfway to fill each cup. Like I said, 2/3 full so that they can have room to rise beautifully. If you're using a gas oven that tends to burn at the bottom, or if your gas oven is uncalibrated like mine, you see the calibration here only has a sign for top oven and bottom burner. So I'm going to be using the bottom because it tends to circulate better. You want to turn it to the lowest, most steady heat on the oven. You can't bake with a very high heat, else your cake will end up burning at the bottom when the top and the middle are not yet done. So you want to set it to the lowest, most steady heat to bake. You preheat your oven for 15 minutes and then you, with a tray at the topmost rack, after 15 minutes, you then throw in your cupcake pan. Bake for 15 to 22 minutes.
1 eternity later.
Our cupcake is ready. Look how beautiful and lovely they look. I'm going to break it into this so that you can see how nicely baked they are inside. This cake was divine, so fluffy and filling. Hope you try yours. I'd like to hear from the comment section. Thank you, Foodie, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye, Foodie.